Welcome back to the Mod Addict. So it's been rainy today. I've had this video kind of lined up for a little bit, but things just between me and the other car, I just can't get things lined up. So I'm going to do an unboxing today of a sponsored product because I want to get this word out. I think this is a really great product, and I think it's going to help out some people. It really is, because a lot of people are they're modding on a budget pretty much. So let me get into this. Alright, so in this box is something from someone called DeepMotor. There's a seller on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link and everything in the description. This product here, I believe, is going to help a lot of people because it is budget oriented without sacrificing function. So again, it's by DeepMotor, and I'm going to leave the link in the description, but let's get this open. First off, it's packaged very well. And what do we have here? Ta-da! Well, this is a 75mm unit. It's a throttle body and upper plenum in one. So this is very similar to the BBK unit, which sells for $400. Now this is made the same place the SR Performance unit is, and even on sale right now, the SR Performance unit is $270. This comes in at $199. Nice big upgraded unit. It looks much better. It's all one unit. You don't have the bulky space between the intake and the throttle body. I wanted one of these when I had my 4.6. Nobody had one in my budget, and now they've come out with this. Like I said, it's the same as the SR unit, and it's cheaper by $70-$80 cheaper, and everything's the same as far as bracketry and throttle linkage and everything else. This is a 75mm unit, like I said. One thing I love right offhand, like I said, is the finish. It is very smooth. It is one unit. I love the texture, and it's just the way it's put together. You know, I said it's just like the SR Performance one that is $70 or $80 more. I like how there's not a junction where it's the throttle body and then the intake, where it's just this, I don't know, it's kind of an ugly separation in my opinion. When it's all one unit like this, it's just so sleek. It really is. I'm super happy with this. At the moment, I don't know if this is going to get installed on Scarlett. I really wanted to, but he is talking about 4-valve swapping it or trading. He has got some trades in the works. Not going to talk about too much of them because, you know, things kind of fall through when you talk about it. But for this, this will be, you know, a great intro into some performance parts, throttle response, things like that. Are they going to give you a ton of power? No, they won't. If you're supercharged or turbo forced induction, that upper plenum is going to be a restriction eventually. Why not go ahead and get that out of the way? So this paired with a nice PI lower, or if you can find a professional products that you can port and polish, this is going to be a great setup all around. So I had a 70mm unit. It was separate units on mine, and I loved it. And I paid like $30 from a junkyard, but it was nowhere near this nice. This is incredible. I'm loving the quality. I love the finish. Like I don't know, maybe it's the little bit of autistic kid coming out in me, but anyway, yeah, I think this is awesome. So again, we're in today because it's, you know, like I said, it's rainy. The car's down, so we're trying to figure out what's going on there. So I wanted to get this out because, like I said, I think it's going to be a pretty good helper for people that's just trying to upgrade on a budget. It's $199, and that's shipping everything right to your door. $199. I think that's very hard to beat, considering the alternatives are $80 to $130 more than this. and it does exactly the same. Looks great, great seller, great customer service. I've talked back and forth with them. I haven't had a single issue, and yeah, I'm super excited. And like I said, I don't know if this is going to get installed, but if not, I'm definitely going to hook up some subscribers or something. We're gonna get this out there. He is working, like I said, on trades and stuff, and I understand that because what he really wants to be in is a 4-valve. So I don't know the route he's going, but we'll see. It might end up on there. You never know. But this is the Mod Addict, and this is just a quick unboxing to get this product out here. And yeah, thanks for watching. We out.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't